into it. So your boy got new wheels, right? I was doing a solid for Garrett because he was gonna buy some crappy wheels that needed to be fixed, and he's gonna take his car off the track in Mexico. I'd rather than him not buy wheels that are damaged and just hook him up with a solid deal. But here he is with a Tomei. I don't know why everybody in the world is obsessed with Tomei exhaust. Like, but holy hell are they loud. Look, check this man's out. We're on the way to Kevin's now to pick up his brand new to him wheels. Hopefully can get them on the car tonight because I'm kind of curious how they'll look. They look pretty dope on his car. I think they look better on a white car. So I'm happy with what I got, to be honest. I think it's dope as hell, and he's happy with what he got. So it kind of all just worked out. You know, Kevin's the homie when it comes down to tire change-up. Hopefully it looks sick as hell on Garrett's car as a full set.
He wants me to put them on, but I mean, that's up to you. I got time.
Oh man, I appreciate you, Kevin. See, there we go. Hopefully now we can stop with this bitch ass fitment and actually get him something nice. You know what I'm saying? Like, my man's on stock base model 370Z wheels. Them shits is not hot, bro. But these on his car actually go pretty damn hard, especially with the contrast between them. So this man was trying to buy some bummy ass rims.
Yeah.
I'll show you guys how the new wheels I got on my car. I'll give it a big hint. It's in the title. Bro,
if it hooks, it hooks.
Oh my god, this man was like, I'm like, yo, these things are cooked, bro. He's like, yeah, but they're free.
Hey,
which is true. Yeah, these things got like no life, dog. You need some tires, and we're at a tire guy's shop.
Yeah, something like that.
Wow.
You want to go show off what I got in the back of that truck?
All right, let's see. All right, White, what you got now? Kevin's always up to something. That's why I was like, let me pass by the shop. Let me see what he's doing, man. Oh, hey, wait. Whoa, what's this gonna go in?
86 vet.
An 86 vet. Dang, dude, Kevin's always up to something. And you know he got it for a stupid good price, too. Oh, hey there, bud. Check this out. You got no meat there, bud.
Whole lot of meats there, bud.
Oh, jeez. It goes a lot harder on your car than mine.
Something like that.
Something like that. Not bad, bro. Well, thankfully Kevin took care of you in a few minutes. You already know, so make sure you shake dicks. You know what I'm saying? Like, and you got this loud Tomei.
I don't know about that.
That thing is way too loud, bro. I had to stop recording you. I was like, literally as soon as like you pulled off, I'm like, nah, I'm good, bro. My ears.
Bad, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was pretty bad. And then also on the flip side, so I sold this peasant, my wheels, so that way he can at least try and hook up in Mexico. Yeah. And then I ended up just getting the Z1 wheels, and I'll do a little bit more showcase in a second. But I didn't think I'd be a huge fan of them, but to be honest, the more I keep looking at them, the more I kind of appreciate it. So I'll show you guys more, talk about specs and all that in a sec. Garrett about to hit my car, dog. I'm about to collect the check. Look at this man, bro. Look, see, look.
Yeah, rev that shit going up.
Okay, oh, I'll do it. Kevin wants me to rev it out. Let's do it.
Yo.
He's like, oh, you're a weenie, bro. Of course I stalled it out. That's so stupid. All right, Kevin. Now I definitely will be back soon. Okay, my man. Don't tempt me with a good ass time if you're not gonna actually do a burnout.
Watch it.
All right, bet. Look at. Wow. That ain't no burnout, you wussy. That ain't no burnout. That's like kind of like a little. At least give me like a rolling one.
Alright.
Oh, jeez. This guy. You know what I'm saying? Garrett. What the? All right, Garrett, go. lot better. Thank you. Dude, my man had to take his shoes off to do it. Wow, you really did have to take your shoes off.
That shit got stuck on the pedal.
Wow. Okay. Well, I guess this is a good way to continue on with the wheel video, but thank you, Garrett. And you just washed it.
Yeah, nice and clean.
That's when you know you're a man of culture.
Absolutely.
There it is. What I ended up getting... There goes Garrett. But what I ended up getting was actually the ZM-23's wheels from Z1 Motorsports. I absolutely love these wheels. Didn't know I was gonna be such a huge fan, because when I initially saw them, I was like, I don't know. But dude, such a solid looking wheel. I got them in 18 by 10.5 plus 15 up front, and 18 by 10.5 plus 5 in the rear. But here's my brand new ZM-23 wheels from Z1 Motorsports. I did end up going with these wheels. I didn't think I would buy them, but you know, but I had to save a life. Garrett was literally Mr. Burnout over here. He was gonna buy like some really beat up old wheels and I get it, like they're rare, and he's vegan, he's a hipster, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just in his blood to want rare stuff. So I get it, like I get it 100%. But what I don't want him to do is to buy some beat up wheels that he has to fix, and then like the structural integrity of the wheels compromised because it's already beat up. So I went ahead and just traded my wheels, my SSR GTX 03s. Well, I didn't trade them, I sold them to him, and then just bought the Z1 wheels, and here we are. But honestly, like I said, I've been getting mad compliments about these wheels. I'm actually like shocked how good they look on the car, because you know, this spoke design isn't really something that I would normally buy, because I kind of like the more race wheel look. But I'm just shocked. It just flows. It looks great. It looks great with the 9 Lives Racing wing. That's why I wanted to wait before I post this video. Posted the video with the new wheels, because of course I'm sure you guys saw the wheels in the wing video, but I wanted to just wait because it really completed the look. I gotta hurry. I wanted to have a more complete look, and then also just kind of show you guys like where the final look of the car is going, you know what I mean? So the only thing I'm missing now at this point is just a wrap and fixing and just getting new bumpers. That's it. So once I get new well, I have a front bumper, but once I get a new rear bumper, I'm gonna go ahead and start this wrap and start working towards completing. And I also need, and well, not need, well, no, I do need it now, because I want to create balance downforce wise. I'm going to get the 9 Lives Racing front splitter for the 370Z Nismo 2015 plus Nismo bumper. Also, like, do you guys call it V2 or V1? I mean, apparently some people call the Nismo that's the 2015 plus bumper like V3. I call it V2 because the second version of the Nismo bumper. A lot of people count the one that has like two-tone paint, but I don't consider that to be a V2. But the rear of that Nismo, of the V1 Nismo that has the accents, the rear bumper is different because it has their brake lights. So let me know in the comments, what do you guys call it? What's up, my brothers? All right, well, whatever. It's been a long time since I've last filmed, but because a lot of stuff is going on, which if you've been following along, I did leave Z1 Motorsports, but we'll talk about that at a later time. I'll make that its own video, because honestly, the stuff I got to vent about, and I just want to give it time, and I'll come back to it. You know what I'm saying? But right now, I'm coming back from a shoot, so I'm gonna finish this video up, which is the ZM-23 wheels. Honestly, I really like them just because I'm over here spitting all over the place. I like the fact that they're like such a mid-range wheel where it's not rep prices and you're not getting that rep quality, because they're actually like a pretty good quality wheel. They're flow forged, and also I forgot what it's called, but it's pretty much so like the tire doesn't slip around the wheel while like you're launching or anything like that, and it's pretty lit. Like for the price that you're paying, it's like right above like what you would pay for like some N keys, you know what I'm saying? And then there's like right under what you would pay for like the common more expensive wheels. It's like a good middle point. So I don't work there anymore. I could be blunt and honest, you know what I'm saying? Like I could talk down on Z1 wheels or I could talk it up, but what I gotta say is straight up, like it's a really good product. They were wheels that I thought might have only looked good on Qs and stuff like that, or Gs, but putting it on the Z, man, dude, apparently it put a lot of people on. A lot of people had the same concern as me, which was we weren't sure. We thought it might have looked kind of weak on the Z, but no, man, it goes pretty hard. I gotta give Z1 their flowers. Like this is actually pretty lit. I love the style of the wheel. I love the concavity of it. My old manager Ryan was actually the one that designed it, and I think he did a really good job. Really does have a Euro style, as he is a Euro guy, and you can see it. But it blends very, very well. So good job Z1, good job Ryan. I think everybody did a good job in the engineering team to make this work and happen. It's just a good wheel. If y'all would have saw the prototype, I was not a fan of the prototypes, but these pretty lit. I don't even work there. I'm telling you guys, it's pretty lit. They just look good, man. And people are like, oh, they look like stock GTR wheels. Okay, so is that a problem? These things, they're perfect fitment. They are perfect fitment. These are wheels for our cars. Like, this is God's offset. If you guys were kind of on edge, hopefully this video helps. I absolutely love these wheels. I think they look great. The gunmetal obviously was my favorite, but I'm kind of curious to see how the bronze will look after maybe like I wrap the car a certain color. I don't know. I'll probably grab another set. Thank you guys for watching. I know I haven't posted in a while, but that's just because there's a lot of background stuff. I'm back at it. I'm more than likely gonna stick to 2 videos a week because that's a really good flow for me. And I gotta show you guys what I'm up to, man. Like, a lot of celebrities, a lot of like rappers, a lot of jewelers. Like it's weird, the lifestyle that I just stepped into. So, and you guys know me, I love showing you guys the whole step, like the whole process. So if you haven't yet already, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys. Stay tuned to the next video. Stay blessed.